ducks are calling, desperate to get in.
Maybe she was
Desperate to find a way in. Oh, shame. Just put, you just need to throw it over.
Yeah, but I wouldn't,
Yeah, I don't know if he'd get pecked.
I'd be scared to.
Or can you take off your coat, your
Yes.
jacket, and throw it over his head? That way he can't peck us. Because I've only got a bra on underneath. Oh.
Hold this.
Yeah.
Then it's easy to probably throw over my jacket as well.
We're not taking it home for Shabbos dinner.
No way.
No. You just need to throw it over its head, grab hold of it.
Yeah. You know what I'll do? I'll get it over here. Here.
Ah,
Here.
now it's going through the front door.
That's better.
Maybe that's what he needed to do, to go through the front door?
Go through there. Go on, idiot. Go through there.
No.
Could have gone through here.
Could have.
I don't think I can do this.
Should I try?
Did it go?
It must have. It's disappeared. Where's it gone? Do you see a chicken amongst the geese?
I don't hear it.
Oh, it's hiding.
It must have gone through here.
Yeah, okay.
It's not here.
It's not here.
Okay, whatever we did it. I mean, it's definitely, it would have stayed around here and it didn't run
We
away.
can't even hear it.
Here, can it is?
Yeah.
It's probably in somewhere.
Yeah, it must have been in.
Very good.
How funny. Okay.
Might be a hole here.
Right.
Yeah, but it's funny that we don't